Hello everyone, welcome to Fortune tutorial. Today you will learn everything about email writing from basic to advanced technique. By the end of this video, you will know how to write professional email writing, how to send email and how to correct it. Send them correctly. Avoid common mistake. So let's get started. What is an email? An mail or electronic mail is a digital message sent over the internet. It is widely used for communication. Schools, universities, business, and organization. You can send mail to like apply for the job, contact teacher, communication with other countries people, communication with the companies, send documents, photos, PDF, receive official information. Part of an email, every professional email has these important parts like subject line, greeting line, opening sentence, main message, closing signature. Example subject job application for the administrative assistant. Greeting, dear hire manager. First of all, if you write the subject and then you have to write greeting, then you have to write body like this one. Body, I hope you are doing well. You can write this paragraph like this one. So if you have others email, I just give you the example of the body, so you can write like this one. So and then you have to write the other things, the closing. So you can see here, closing. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing from you. So the body, the main body after the greeting, and then the main body, after the main body you have to write the closing. After the end of this email writing, you have to signature, and then you have to write your name. So I will share you another things, how to write professional's email. Follow this step so you can write professional email. Today I will share you basic to advanced techniques. Step 1, open email. Step 2, click on compose. Step 3, enter the received email. Step 4, write the subject. Step 5, type your message. Step 6, attach files if you need it. Step 7, review your email carefully. And finally, step 8, click send button. So your email will be sent to the person where you want to send. So this is some rules of the professional's email writing. I will share you an others thing. We have many common mistakes in email when we send the others one. If you want to send professional emails to the in office or companies and others, etc., you have to remind that some common mistake. That's I'm going to share you now. Avoid this common mistake. No subject lines, grammar mistake, writing every letters in capital, forgetting attachment, sending without professional language, sending without proofreading, using informal writing, using informal language in, reply on time, always proofreading before sending. Practice exercise, write an email to your teacher, just in leaving for one day. Remember to include this line that I share you. So you will watch everything which I told you in the screen. So every writing I will show you this side, so you can see every lines this here. And remember to include subject, greeting, reason, closing, signature. Congratulations, you have learned to basic to advanced professional email writing. In our next lesson, we will cover business email writing, top application, formal BS, informal emails, advanced emails etiquette, email tips and tricks, email writing for IELTS, and professional communication. If you enjoy this video, like this video, share it with your friends, and follow Fortune Tutorial for more free educational content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.